just had the first delivery. I've got oven and hob. So let's bring it in and let's try to fit that before the other delivery comes with the fridge and the small fridge as well. That's our hob. That will not fit through. So I hope I won't have to route the hole for it. I hope it's gonna fit basically. Right up the box. And we've got it. Have a look. Nice proper fit. There's no gaps anywhere. Nice. With small help, I managed to bring it up to the kitchen. There's a fridge over there as well. So let me unpack that as well. Be very careful when using a knife.
Is there more open? The other flap? I want to bring that.
I will open that for you. I'm back. So, opening. There should be no damage whatsoever because the box itself, the packaging, is untouched. Alright, that's that. Now it's the time for the fridge. With fridge, you need to be very careful when you're tilting it, because in the very bottom there's a container with a special liquid. So you can't put your fridge like on the side or anything like that. Just keep it as vertical as you can. Okay. How to do that? Believe me, there was no other way. The worktop is here. But I managed to bring it in. So let's unpack it and put it inside. Camera stays here. Oh, totally forgot to record that for you, but I did attach those rails to the door and this door, so it actually closes with that cabinet doors. Okay, got a carpet here. That's the underlay. That the room is done as well, and underlay here. So that's it for today. I'm gonna do some more painting in the bathroom, but I'm not gonna show you that. You already saw that. So tomorrow we're gonna have carpet guys and electrician as well. So see you on the next one.